Hello everyone, welcome back to Minta. This is Eric, and in today's video we're going to go over the registration wizard. The registration wizard is the first thing you're going to see when you're signing up with Minta. It will also take you through a few simple steps that will help Minta's AI to generate the perfect videos just for you and your brand. The first step would be to select your store niche. For the sake of the example, let's say that my store is all about fashion and accessories. I'm just going to look for it from the list here and select fashion and accessories. Then I'm going to click the next button. The next question would be, what am I selling online? I'm just going to keep it at fashion and click next. In the next step, Minta will try to withdraw your logo from your online store in order to match the video design and branding to your own brand. Because this is the Minta demo store, the logo that I have is Minta's logo, but here you should be able to see your own logo. If by any chance Minta found the wrong logo, you can always just manually delete the logo and upload your own. Since this is the right logo in my case, I'm just going to click the next button. In the next step, Minta's AI will offer few different color palettes based on your logo and brand design according to your domain. The one that I find best is actually the one on the left side, and I'm going to pick this one and I'm going to click next. And that's it. Minta is all set up. You can go ahead and start creating stunning videos for your brands and automatically start posting them to your social media channels. If you want to learn more about each part of the app, just make sure to read the help articles and click the help video buttons. You can also always reach out to our live chat support at the bottom right corner of the screen. We are available for you 24/7. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.